Today I am going to show you how to fix low call voice on iPhone. So let's start the video. To start the video you have to go to your mobile settings, and here in the mobile settings you have to scroll down. Here I will scroll down and go to the accessibility settings, and in the accessibility settings I will click on touch option. Now I will scroll down and find the call audio routing option and make sure you have selected at automatic. Once done, now you have to go back and again go to the accessibility settings. Here I am going to again scroll down and I will find the option hearing devices, and once I have found this option, now I will make sure I have deactivated or disabled this option. Once I disabled it, now I will go back again to the accessibility. Here I will find this option audio and visual. Here I will make sure I have disabled this option phone noise cancellation. If you have enabled this might be the reason that you have low call voice on your phone, so you have to disable this option. Next I will go back and I will restart my phone, and after that my problem will be solved. Here I will advise you to check your phone speaker. If there is dirt, you have to clean it. Use toothpick or a piece of cloth to clean your speakers. I am sure that this will help you. So that's how you can fix low call voice on iPhone.